Chogu yango buge mag chenro mag somo ma junior secondary. Jopuonjre mancha notimo penj mag grade 6 biro chako grade 7 wuok tich ma juma manyien. Piny owacho osegolo chenro mar somo ma junior secondary kako ririto jopuonj ma biro tayo chenro no ka sikunde oyawo. Piny owacho oyango ni buge milion 7 biro chopo e sikunde kuom thuolo ma juma achiel mabiro.
I want to give special acknowledgement to the publishers who have ensured that the printing and distribution has taken place promptly ahead of the opening of schools for grade 7 learners on the 30th. Finally, sir, I want to thank you once more. Since coming to the office, we have benefited immensely from your guidance. You have given me insights that I never thought about before, and even this occasion was actually on your advice.
Publishers get training from experts from KICD and eventually present their works for evaluation. The evaluation exercise is very rigorous. There are very many publishers who do not meet the mark, and the few who meet the mark still meet the mark with conditional approval. So after that, there is a lot of corrections back and forth between the publishing firm and the KICD up to the time when the KICD is satisfied that we have reached the set threshold. That is the time when now we are given the green light to proceed and publish the books for both the open market as well as the government.
To the teachers and learners across the country, I wish you well in your interaction and use of the books and designs, and call upon all the education stakeholders never to tire in supporting the education of our learners so that together we nurture the full potential in them and build a skilled and ethical society fit for the contemporary world.
I must emphasize that the Ministry of Education has consistently distributed CPC textbooks for learners in grade 1 to 6 annually to ensure the policy of one book for one learner in every subject is met. The Ministry is determined to sustain this tradition of effective and efficient textbook tradition to all our junior and senior secondary school leavers as we seek to ensure quality teaching and learning that allows all our learners to complete their basic education as provided for in our Constitution. Ladies and gentlemen, I now urge all parents and guardians of grade 7 to ensure that their children report to schools on Monday to start off their next level of learning promptly.